Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can correctly set up your Google Analytics. First, what we want to do is of course go here to analytics.google.com and you will be redirected right here to the website of Google Analytics, or you could just simply go here in the search bar and go search in google.com and now type Google Analytics, and it should be the one to first pop up right here, not this sponsored ad, but this one right here. It's Google Analytics, and once you click on that, you'll be redirected right here. So here in the dashboard, in the introductory page of Google Analytics, we are here. You can see the introductions right here. It's gonna provide you complete information and get insights that only Google can give. Connect your insights to results. And here is the features of Google Analytics. So just a heads up, if you don't know what Google Analytics is for, Google Analytics is for measuring the data or analyzing the data that you have on your website or your channel or your app maybe that you want to measure or analyze in the marketing strategy purposes or for whatever purposes that you might have. So now that you know that, let's go and start measuring, because this is the start of our first step. Let's just go click on that, and here we are in account setup. Here in account setup, we could provide the account details right here. Let's say our account name is simply Shoots Analytics. Here, just for this example, this is obviously a fake one because this is just for the sake of teaching you guys or demonstrating to you how you can set up your Google Analytics. And here in the account data sharing settings, here you could have this all checked if you want to receive emails or notifications about Google products and services. If you enable this, then this setting will apply to authenticated visitation data, which is associated with Google user accounts. So this setting is required for enhanced demographics and interest reporting. So if you disable this option, then you'll not get this one. So for this example, we don't want that, so let's just go next. And here we are in property setup. You need to provide your property details. Here you need to have or provide your Google Analytics for property to measure your web and app data. So let's say our property name is Shoot Analytics right here. Let's say that is our web or app. And here you want to provide your country and your time zone. Here is the currency that you want. We have all the countries right here that you can choose. Make sure that it is the one right for you and the time zone. Here in the currencies, we also have everything right here, so you could choose really the accurate one for you. And you have this option right here also, which is show advanced options, and here is the option for universal analytics property. But as you can see right here, there is a big notice that universal analytics properties will stop collecting data starting July 1, 2023. It's recommended that you create a Google Analytics for property instead. So this is basically an advanced feature for your Google Analytics, and obviously we are not interested in this because this is a advanced feature and we're new to Google Analytics, so we're not gonna focus on that. We're just gonna go down to the basics. So let's go click next. And here about your business, you need to provide your business information to help Google Analytics tailor your experience by answering the following. So here in the industry, you need to select one. So you want to choose this correctly because this will affect your experience in Google Analytics. Let's say we are into games right here, and now we need to proceed to business size. Let's say I am a streamer, so I am only one, so I'm gonna go here for small because this is 1 to 10 employees. So this is perfect for someone that is an entrepreneur that has 1 to 10 employees. So this is the option for you. If you're a streamer or a content creator, then this is the right one. So next is, how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? Check all that apply. Here you need to tick all the boxes that you want to be included in your Google Analytics, the feature that you want to have there. Here in measure customer engagement with my site or app, I want to measure that one, and optimize my site or app experience, I also want that. And then increase my conversions, of course, because I want to create sales. And let's say analyze my online sales. Let's say this is the one that I needed, but you might need more in your case, so you feel free to read all of them and analyze them so that you can get the correct one for you. And just a heads up that you really need to nail this one, because this would really affect the data that you will get from Google Analytics, because this is what Google Analytics is going to provide for you, because this is what you told them that you intend them to use or intend to utilize. So now that we're done here, let's go on create. Right here in the terms of service and agreement, you want to choose the right country for you wherever you are, so that it would be the right one, because this is really important and you want to read the terms of service agreement right here. Let's just close this so we can view it more clearly. And as you can see, you want to skim through this if you are too lazy to read all of that, but I really recommend that you read all of that. I have read all of this and it is really helpful in case you have questions or you will have any doubts, so you could clearly see all of that here. And once you have done skimming through this and knowing what it's all about, then let's go tick here and say that we accept the data processing terms, and let's proceed. So let's click on accept. And now, as you can see, account has been created. Here, now we can start collecting data. We can choose a platform, which is web, Android, or iOS app. But in our case, in this tutorial, let's just go for web. Right here, we need to provide our website URL. Let's say Chutes Analytics.com. That's it. This is just for an example, so obviously you don't need to follow this one. And stream name, depending on the name of your website right here. Let's say Chutes Analytics again. Alright, there it is. And now that you've done it, you can now click here on create stream so that we can proceed to the next step. And here we are in with our web stream details, and this is our stream name. This is our stream name, stream URL, stream ID, and measurement ID. So as you can see here, data collection isn't active for your website. If you installed tags more than 48 hours ago, make sure they are set up correctly. So here, since we are getting this notice here, then we should click here, view tag instructions, because something isn't right here. We need to install this Google tag. So here, let's say you have also chosen web, just like me in this Google Analytics. So you could go and scan. As you can see, there is an error right here, unable to load provided website, please verify, because this is obviously a fake website that I gave for the sake of this tutorial, so this clearly doesn't work. So if you have already provided your website right here and you have created a website in any of these platforms, here you have Drupal, Duda, Wix, Squarespace. If you have created in your website in any of this platform, then you should just click on that website so that you could have an easier process. It will be really easy if you have created it in the websites here provided, but if you haven't, then you can go here and install manually. And here is the Google tag for this account. You need to paste this in the code of every page of your website, so you have to paste this, and you have to go after the element in your website, and you want to paste this one so that your dual tag will be installed in your website. So once you have done that, then you are good to go. This shouldn't appear anymore, and you can go and modify your events, configure text settings right here, and you can basically see it now. So here, as you can see, we already have the data streams right here, and you can view the data that we have right here now. But as you can see, it says no data received in the past 48 hours for a couple of reasons. This website that I have provided is fake, or if you are seeing this in your website or for whatever platforms that you provided here in Google Analytics, then that just means that there is simply no data received. It may be that no one visited your site or used your app or whatsoever. But if there is someone using it or data that is being produced, then it should appear right here. You can see all of it right here. And if you want to add a stream right here, you could also another one of this right here. You just need to click on this and you can add it. And that's basically how you correctly set up your Google Analytics. Thank you for watching.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.